This video is about BathCheck and how to use it. BathCheck is a measuring tool and app to allow therapists and homeowners to check their bathroom to see if Showerbuddy can provide a solution to fit in their particular room. BathCheck has two distinct parts to the app. There is a product spec section, which is virtually a full catalogue of Showerbuddy products, and there's the bathroom wizard. Let's open the bathroom wizard and get started. So the questions are going to be, what configuration suits my bathroom? I shower over a bathtub, or my shower has a step. So for this, we're going to check the bath. We shower over a bathtub, and as you'll see, there's up to 9 steps required. So let's measure the bathroom door width in step 1 and put in the 650 millimeters. Step 2, do we have a vanity? No, we don't, we're going to say, so we can leave that blank and move on to the next step. Step 3, let's measure, if we have a toilet there, the distance between, and we'll enter 330 millimeters and move to next step. Step 4, do we have a glass screen? No, we don't, so we'll leave it blank and move on. Step 5, measure the length of the bath, input the dimensions there, and we'll say 1650 millimeters. The width of the bathtub inside, we'll put that in, and let's say it's 380 millimeters. Then we measure the height of the bath outside. Let's say it's 380 again, and inside it might be 360. Now, is the bathtub plastic? Yes, ours is, so we'll tick that question and move to next. Now, some people may or may not want the chair to roll back over a toilet. If you want it to roll back, we need to enter some dimensions. So let's measure across the top of the width of the toilet, 360. The toilet approximately 200 off the floor, so not at the floor, but up a little bit, about where the caster wheels are going to run past. Let's say our toilet is 280 millimeters, and then as it indicates there, the height to the top of the rim, we'll put that in at 380. Here we have the option to either upload an existing image from your phone or computer, or if you push upload, it will give you the option to open at the camera. For now, we'll go on to next. Now we can see we're at the results page. So this has given us 2 results for over the bathtub, either a tilting SB2T or the non-tilting SB2. You can see the dimensions we put in. There's further instructions step by step about what would have to happen to that chair or what accessory might be needed to work in your bathroom. So if we went to next, you'll see that we have to go back and select in this option either the non-tilting 2 or the tilting 2T. So in this option, I think the 2T would be our preference. We would like to try next. Then it's going to come to accessories. So we've got required. We have the chair, of course, on the list, and the required accessories would be a custom bridge size in this instance, and the suction cup feet because the bathtub was plastic. Optional accessories, you can go and add those if you chose a different seat cushion, comfort seats, or a petite size chair, petite size seating. Whatever you wanted in the way of optional accessories can be ticked. Then you review your answer again, and then you can move on to email the results. Now the email, you need to fill in some required fields, but you can email to yourself, to your supplier, to your therapist, or whoever you actually want to email to. Just put a comma between email addresses and then send the email. So that's BathCheck. Now the product specs are really there for therapists and suppliers. There's everything about every model. It's a full catalogue of technical equipment. So looking at SB2, if you had been with a client and explaining to them that this was an option, here's a range of photos to try and explain to your client how the chair works, what it looks like. Videos, there's some text there explaining the videos, a 30-second video, quick reference video, and then a full installation video, which is about 7 minutes long. Dimension drawings if you want to physically check, and as with everything in the app, you can convert it to inches or back to millimeters. And another look at accessories. So again, you can go down and discuss with your client what sort of accessory they might or might not want for their chair and make that selection, and in fact guide them as to what you're suggesting is a good option for their bathroom.